An event, a mega hackathon which had never been happened in any of the engineering colleges before, just took place in NRIIT campus, conducted by Department of Computer Science and Machine Learning. Students from NRI Institute of Technology have successfully given solutions to a total of 300 live problem statements in a single day. A remarkable demonstration of innovation, teamwork, and technical excellence. A proud moment for the Department of CSM and NRI family. Thanks for the exuberance and initiation shown by students who have taken this opportunity as a challenge and a great platform to showcase their multifaceted skills in programming. Let us see what they invented, discovered, and ultimately how they succeeded in finding a solution. Before that, we will go through all the problems faced by the students in the form of text.
About the ATS friendly resume builder. This is a software. First, we will understand the what stands about the ATS. ATS is the applicant tracking system. It is useful for the both freshers for building their resumes and for the communities and for the companies also. It builds first it education skills. We can choose the templates also. It avoids the images and the tables. Its main benefit for the companies. In companies, resumes are rejected by not only for skills, it rejected by the not readable by the ATS. So this is very useful for these nowadays companies. Thank you.
Good afternoon. So this is my project Event Hub. This is mainly for organizing and also creating the events in all only one. So so my website contains the features dashboard. So these are the attendees by ticket type, how many are registered, and the payment details, and the analytics for which type of people or are registered for the event. And also we can register for the event, create an event and post it online. And also we can create the technical events, freshers or any other conferences. And also we are having the profile, we can update our profile. And these are the events that are created. So based on analytics, we get an idea of how many of them registered and how many of them. Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi from CSLC second year. Today I am discussing about my project is Career Sphere. It is about internships and job opportunities. And first of all, it gives the top matched opportunities like all the front-end developer internship, data science training and junior, and it all gives job opportunities also. And it is also available to employers also, and college admin, or we want to switch to student also. And here it gives a career path. It generate our career path. So I am interested in AI, and we give to our current skills like Python, and here our career goals like I want to become a full stack web developer. So here it gives a personalized path, and it gives also opportunities like internships, trainings, and also placements like junior software engineers and cloud engineers. And it gives skill challenges like JavaScript in 30 days leaderboard and SQL subqueries. And it also protofile like it gives a add new project or it gives a feedback. And in this we also select our mentors and connect with them as they give the industrial experts, senior experts or developers or designers or anyone. So here we can upgrade our profile also. So it is all about internships and jobs, and so it is called career sphere. Thank you.
Good afternoon, myself Pretty, and today the project I have done is Green AI, a sustainable MI visualization. This Green AI mainly used to analyze environmental impact. It calculates the CO2 emissions and energy consumption based on the hardware and ML formulas. I have done this app using front end React.js and back end Node.js and also ML. Mainly in this we have model configuration. Like I have used a BERT-based GPT is too small and Llama. For example, for showing, I am using GPT-2 and Transformer. These are the ML topics that are used for this project, and I am taking database size as 30 GB. Number of epochs 5. Hardware Nevada. And I am taking the CO2 emission and energy consumption of India only. India. Okay. So with the help of GPT-2 small, it calculates the CO2 emissions and energy consumption in India. As you can see, this is the CO2 emissions, 15.876 kg. Energy consumption is 25.20 kilowatt per hour. This is the environmental context. Number of phones charged. This is just a prototype, so the information is 50-50 correct. When we use a perfect API, it will be a full-fledged web page. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Nanda. Today I am going to discuss about my project, which is urban vertical farming. So what is urban vertical farming? The urban vertical farming is a type of growing crops method in the vertical style area. So this website is about farmers to register to the vertical farming. If a farmer is a old person, then he must log in, or if he is a new person, then he go to the register page. So after creating an account, it asks the location, farm location. After giving the farm location, it directly located to the location of the farm. At that particular location, it shows the temperature, humidity and light level. So the farmer can check their farm at anywhere. And it is dynamically changing also. And I have also developed the AI crop recommendation and AI powered optimization and fertilizer reminder. So the farmer can get all the information in only one website. It also shows the alerts and settings and and we have the language preferences also. And last one is the profile section. Here we can upload our image, we can change our name or our passwords. And if the farmer wants to log out, and he can log out. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanya. Actually, this application is about empowering rural communities. So, villagers can complain their issues in this one, and the resolved issues will be appear here, and the total villages will appear here. The key features of this application is every language person can give voice input despite of their illiteracy, and AI will summarize the text, and community updates like job applications or events occurring or free medical camps occurring in that region will appear here. So villagers simply can register in this and submit their issues. Rural communities. So that's
It helps in farming of the things, and it is an integration project which holds the things like it gives you the advice of crops. That means it advises which kind of crops can be grown in a particular soil. And next is machinery, and it helps, we call it as machinery hub, in which the people, the farmers get into contact with different holders who have different types of machineries like combine harvesters, tractors, and many more. And the next one is called fertilizer advice. In fertilizer advice, the farmers give their particular type of crop that they are growing, and in this fertilizer advice, it also gives that how much amount of the fertilizer that we have to use. That means, for example, if we take a farmer, his name is A, and he's having at most of 10 acres of land, and if he goes to this website and asks, I'm having certain amount of acres, and this is the kind of crop that I'm using, and how much fertilizer that I have to use for this. And as a result, this website gives the farmers guidelines that how much I can use for this. And coming towards the pest control, and after 2 months from the sowing of a crop, it grows on like, that means it comes to a certain stage, so that it helps, so we'll go towards the taking of photos and we'll upload them, so that we'll get the kind of pesticide that we have to use for it. And it also helps in the process of storage and marketing. Coming towards storage, there is a particular phase for this in which the farmers and the owners of the storage, they'll update their values. If they have a certain amount of land or certain amount of space, they'll update in this and they'll give the certain lease, and which will be helpful for the farmers for their storage purpose. And coming towards marketing, it daily shows the values of the